Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Mason.
Yeah.
Me and Mason are gonna be going to get the bananas and selling them. Come on, Mason. Mason, can you buy me a bag? Can you buy AJ a bag? Just a little bag. Little bag.
Is AJ broke?
Yeah, AJ's broke. He got 13 bolts.
Here you go. Let's go.
Let's go get them. Whatever you do not touch the mines.
Oopsies. Okay, I'll
Look
try
what
my
happens
hardest
when
not to.
When you touch the mines.
Me try not to.
Kaboom.
Ooh, 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 so good. Ooh, so good. Ooh, 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 so good. Hey, it's a broken red like green light.
There you go. Let's go up here.
Why is it slippery? Oh no, red just nasty.
I don't got a flashlight.
Why? Do I put the flashlight on?
Hey, turn the flashlight on.
Oh, what's this? Pineapple. Oh, that's weird. I won.
You got a nice one. Bananas,
oh, and I'm gone. Need her to open her mouth. Now I'm going into the map. I'm too scared of the ogre.
Come on, Mason, let's go steal. Let's go steal the stuff that we got.
Oh yeah, sell that stuff. Might be back. No, I'm just kidding.
No, you can
I'm gonna sell my bag as well.
the present from me
Oh,
to
there.
That much money? Sell my bag. I'm up.
How much bolts? 29.
We got one bolt.
0 bolts. Oh,
I got one bolt.
Wait, surely there's always stuff in this little spot.
Mason,
Or is that just a
Mason, come here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
You got anything to say to them? Got anything to say to them?
Oh yeah, guys. Like and subscribe to Mr. Spud VR. He's a
Listen
goat.
to him.
He's a goat.
Say bye, Mason.
He's a goat. Bye-bye. Bye.